Hey, I haven't done an update in a while. Had hunting season. I got two bucks, two 6-pointers, so one in archery and one in rifle, so I had to take a little break from this project. But I just put, was it last week? I skinned the top with my chrome grids here, and they are pretty tight on there. I might have to put a couple more of these U-bolts on there, but right now it's doing good. I ran out of U-bolts, so I had to use my L-brackets here, but that gave me an opportunity to put a stopper in the front, which is nice, in case I have some stuff that's underneath that, because that kind of overhangs a little bit. So I got some amber lights that I'm going to put right, where's my finger? Ooh, there's my finger, right there on the corner, because technically you're supposed to have amber lights. I'm going to call it at the shoulders of the trailer, so right in this area because of the length. So it was a boat trailer, so that's why they were over there, but since I extended out the frame, I have to put new amber lights right here. I have the lights, I don't know if you can tell, but it got kind of dark on me. I got home from visiting my parents, but it's coming together. Just a light duty long material hauler. I think the first thing I'm going to haul with this is actually possibly going to be some IBC totes. I should be able to fit all 4 on here, and I will definitely take a quick video of that. But I found some IBC totes that are pretty inexpensive, and I have an idea on making my quail grow out pens out of those instead of doing the cattle panels. I just don't think cattle panels are gonna stand up to the wind that I have here. But anyway, that is the trailer so far. I have finished wiring up the trailer. See, I've got blinky lights. Ho ho! Here's the thing that was messing it up. See, those amber lights didn't work, and since I extended this out, the new shoulders of the trailer, that's what I call them, are out here. So I now have amber lights on the widest, most furthest point. Good old hanging strap, just cut that to pieces with my tin snips, all the connectors, and they're good. I did have to notch my wood right here so that the lights would even be flush, because the wires come straight out the back. So that worked out for me because I had a piece of wood here. I was going to do it down here on the metal, but I'm like, that's not the widest point. So since the widest point's out here, I put it up there. There we go. All done. Everything's down nice and tight with these U-clamps onto the frame. And then in the front I ran out, but that ended up working out because I used my L-brackets so that I have a stopper up here for longer stuff. Now I do realize that my boat winch kind of comes out past that, so it is what it is. I'd rather have that boat winch, because then I can actually strap all the way back in case I have a really long load or something that's tall. Like I want to get some IBC totes for the quails, which I can haul 3, maybe 4 on here, depending on how they're put up. And I can use that winch strap to go all the way on top of them. And I do have ratchets that will go, across. But that'll be a nice built-in strap for here. So yeah, lights are working. Those ones in the middle don't work for some reason. I don't know if just the bulbs burned out or what, but legally I need to put them out here anyway, so I just did different wiring. But those will still work as a random reflector. But that's it. Boat trailer to long material trailer conversion for my Kia Soul is done. Is done. Ready to go work. Okay. Well, see y'all in the next project. Real quick, I forgot about the spare tire, but I have it mounted now. So I had another L bracket, so I attached it up, did it underneath, and then put a thumb nut. Now I do realize that that's not a lot of threads, so I'm going to go get some larger or longer bolts, and then if I get longer bolts I'll be able to put this hole on the hole that's down here, but I can't do that with it not having that much thread. But once I get that, then it'll be all ready to go. Ba-ba-ba!